Unsa man ni sila, oy? Kamugas, kung paaway ko. Kilikili bunot. Hello, Supriya. My dear, I miss you. Where have you been? How I can bunot my kilikili? There's no buhok now. Look. There's no buhok, right? Oh, it's empty. Like the empty forest. Nakita niyo ba ako? Ang labo ko na naman dyan. Wala na naman ako signal. Hi, Ram. I miss you, Ram. How are you? Thank you for coming again to my live. How are you, my friend? I hope you're doing well. Kilikili bunot siya. I don't have buhok on my kilikili right now. Oh my gosh, my old guy. How are you? Hello, good evening, my sweetheart old lady Tisha. How are you? How was your exam? Are you taking an exam or what? So, it's clean now. It's clean or not? It's clean now, I guess. Tisha. I want to show you my foot because lately it's dirty, so I clean it. So now it's clean. Ta-da! Ta-da! Akaza, change your dress. Why? Husband, husband mata mo. Buing ay. Osmar, hello. And where's your dress? How are you doing today? I'm good. Hello, Victor.